In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to limit comment length in your WordPress blog. WordPress comments encourage discussions around your topic. However, you may find that comments below a certain length or above a certain length are not very helpful. To limit the comment length, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always just restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. And as you can see here, the maximum character length is 150, and the minimum character length is 20. One thing to note though, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. So now click on Update File. And now when I go to the website and open a post, I'll just add a comment. And as you can see, the comment length is under 20 characters that we set. And so that's why I'm getting this message. This is how you can limit comments length in your WordPress blog. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.